Okay, we're gonna practice calculating decimal powers. They're a little bit different, and you have to be cautious because you must know how to multiply and how to determine where the decimal goes in order to adequately calculate the power. So here's the steps. The first thing you do is calculate the normal power. That means don't think about the decimal. So you're going to calculate the normal power with like the number that you're dealing with. Like this first example, it would be 3 squared. This second example, it would be 2 cubed. Okay? Then this is the tricky step. You determine how many spots to the right there should be on the product. So let me show you how to calculate this. 0.3 squared. The first thing I'm going to do is 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Now the second thing I'm going to do is determine how many spots to the right there should be to the decimal. So if I have 0.3 and 0.3, I need to have 2 spots to the right of my product. So if I have a 9, I need 1 placeholder 0, and it would be 0.09. Okay, second one. 0.2 cubed. So 2 cubed is 8. 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8. Now I need to determine how many spots to the right to the product. So if I have 0.2 cubed, that means I have 3 0.2s. So I should have 1, 2, 3 spots to the right of my decimal. So I have an 8, and I would need 2 placeholder zeros. And that would be my final answer. One that I have noticed students get a little confused about is when you have something like 1.2 squared. So 1.2, and I think what confused them is what number should I use? You just don't even look at the decimal. So my number is 12. So I'm going to say 12 squared is 144. And then I figure out how many spots to the right. So I have 2 1.2s, 2 spots, so decimal and 2 spots. And I have a 4, 4, and a 1. So it would be 1.44 would be my product. And I'm going to do one more on the notes here that's not included. Let's say I had 0.05 cubed. I do the number cubed, so 5 cubed is 125. And then I determine how many spots to the right should there be with a decimal. So I have 0.05 3 times. So I need 2, 4, 6 spots to the right of the decimal. So here's my decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I fill in the blanks. I have the 1, 2, 5, and then your placeholder zeros. So to summarize, in order to calculate decimal powers, your strategy is to first calculate your normal power, meaning don't think about the decimal. Second, you determine how many spots to the right there should be to the new answer. So if you notice, what I've been doing is little visuals to help me calculate which words it would be. And that's a strategy that will always work for you. If you're struggling trying to determine how many spots should I have, just expand the product like I did here. 0.05 cubed is 0.05 times 0.05 times 0.05. And then I went ahead and calculated how many spots to the right there should be to my product.